Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to share this video with you on how to use affirmations to manifest anything or anyone. And this is a video that I want to make very simple and very straightforward. Okay, so first of all, when you're using affirmations, when you affirm something, you're basically thinking or speaking out loud a statement. So the way that you say an affirmation is basically like you're stating a fact. You're saying it casually, you're saying it chill, you're saying it potentially with emotion behind it as well, which can be even more powerful because emotion is energy in motion. You're putting that energy behind it. But again, you can do it without feeling, without knowing, without believing, and that's called robotic affirming, where you just sort of mindlessly say it on a loop. Or you can say it with conviction, certainty, and emotion behind it, and they both work because whatever you decide works for you. So, the reason why you say or think affirmations over and over and over again and actually repeat them over and over and over again to saturate your subconscious mind, as in you are impressing your subconscious mind with this story, with this truth, is because when your subconscious mind is getting saturated, it will push it out into your 3D. It will search for experiences to prove your affirmations right. When you are reprogramming, rewiring your subconscious mind with the beliefs that you have, your beliefs are formed through repetition. So that's why you repeat something. That's why you repeat an affirmation, because you're actually installing a new belief. The more that you repeat it, the more it is becoming a belief, a hard fact to your subconscious mind. And your subconscious mind is basically, that's what we're operating on 95% of the time. When you're on autopilot, your subconscious mind is working to create your reality. So yes, you're saying and you're thinking these affirmations consciously, but also as well, you can do it subconsciously too. For example, listening to affirmations that you can record on the Parrot app that will parrot your affirmations back to you, or recording it as a voice memo and making your own sleep track to listen overnight when you're asleep, because that will actually sink into your subconscious mind overnight. Your subconscious brain is always listening. It's always listening. So you don't even need to necessarily listen to it. It will absorb it. And I find that that works really well because your conscious mind can't fight you against it. You can also listen to that when you're doing work, when you're driving. You could do it at any point. Same with you thinking or speaking your affirmations as well. You could do it literally at any point throughout the day. And when I think is best for to affirm is when you first wake up and before you go to sleep. Even just doing 10-20 minutes of affirming, stating truth about yourself and about how you want life, money, love, SP, any of those things to go for you, will be creating that belief, those new beliefs in your subconscious mind, because again, it's formed through repetition, your beliefs, okay? And it will get pushed out into your reality because, again, your subconscious is searching for experiences to prove your beliefs right. So the different types of affirmations that you can use are affirmations. There's the first group is affirmations about yourself. The second group is affirmations about what it is that you want to manifest or who it is that you want to manifest. So it could be about money, it could be about love, it could be about relationships, it could be about your specific person, it could be about something you're creating, like a YouTube channel, it could be about a job, literally anything, right? So when you're wanting to manifest something, your affirmations should be in the end. They're most powerful when you just jump straight to the end, as if you already have it, right? So I'll give you an example of both of those groups. So the first group was affirmations about yourself. This is to build up your self-concept. This is to build up the image of who you are, because everything is coming from you. You're the source of your reality. So the image that you have about yourself is also how the world is going to respond to you. And I say affirmations about myself, and literally people will actually repeat them back to me without me saying anything. Sometimes it actually gets freaky, but in like a really fun way. It becomes really, really fun when you realize this. So an example of affirmations that you could say about yourself, and again, choose ones that you want to see reflected back to you. So core affirmations for self-concept to build up your self-esteem could be, I am always chosen, I am always loved, I am always wanted, I'm always valued, I'm always prioritized, I am respected, I am pure love, I am lovable, I'm so easy to love, I am successful, I am rich, I am beautiful inside and out, I am the most beautiful, radiant woman in any room, I am a queen or king, I am a goddess or god, I am the best, I'm the best at what I do, and I am powerful. I am limitless. I am so good at manifesting. So the beliefs that you're creating are the statements that you are repeating to yourself again and again and again. Because when you're stating something, you're deciding that that is your truth. So you're basically throwing out the old script, the default script that was given to you through the circumstances, through the experiences that you've had thus far, and the meanings, the assumptions that you attach to those experiences. So for example, if you got told off whenever you were a kid and you made that mean I'm not lovable, right? You're unlearning those things and you're actually learning who you are. You're relearning, you're coming back to your truth of who you actually are, the true nature of your power. So you're really affirming I am. Whatever follows I am is the identity that you are assuming. So you want to make them loving, positive, empowered affirmations. If you want to make it even more powerful, I do recommend that you get clear on, even just reflect on what actually are your limiting beliefs that have been running on loop, on default, for however many years, that have been literally playing out, causing havoc, causing mischief in your reality. Right? Sometimes we've got to have a laugh as well at ourselves and bring some humor into it and bring some lightness into it, okay? So this is the other thing too. It's meant to be fun. It's meant to be like a fun experience. It's not meant to be like this hard, exhausting, burnt out experience that you have, right? It gets to be fun. So just throwing that in there. But it can be very helpful to actually figure out what your limiting beliefs are or have been up until this point that have been creating your reality. So for example, if you look at your past experiences, you can even ask yourself, what did I make that mean about myself? And that will give you a very good indication as to what are your core beliefs about yourself that you have been assuming to be true about yourself. Then your affirmations, the most powerful affirmations, in my opinion, are the ones that are the empowering version of the specific beliefs that are basically opposite to the limiting beliefs that you've been carrying for years, that you've been operating from for years. So if you had a belief, an old limiting belief of I'm not good enough, or you had an old limiting belief of I'm not important, then the most powerful beliefs, affirmations that you could say to yourself would be I am good enough, I am important. Because you're actually getting to the root of what's going on. Instead of just doing blanket affirmations, you're really doing the ones that are going to make the most impact, the most positive impact for you. Okay, so I really do recommend getting specific with your affirmations. The second group of affirmations then are about your desire, you in relation to that desire. So, for example, with money, examples would be money loves me, money has always been easy for me, large sums of money come to me every day, money is so effortless to make, saving money is so easy, investing money is so easy, my wealth is always working for me, I always have more than enough, I feel at peace around money, I am rich, my bank account is growing every single day, and anything to that effect with specific person. It could be insert name. They love me. Of course they love me. Of course they want me. Of course they always choose me. Of course they want to be in my life. Of course they value me, right? Or anything else that you want to experience with that person. Love is so easy for me. Love is always coming to me. I'm a magnet for love. I radiate love and it boomerangs right back to me times 10. Relationships have always been easy for me. I have the most secure, healthy relationships. I always have and I always will. So you can literally use your affirmations to create truths, create stories about what it is that you want. And again, you can go straight to the end with actually a specific desire that you have. So for example, you could say, if you want to visit a certain country, you could say, I am in Rome, as if it's already done, right? I'm going to Rome next week. That's why it's coming up. I'm so excited. I also manifested that. So I'm going to Rome. I am in Rome, right? Or you could say, I have my dream job. I make 6 figures. I drive my dream car. I'm in a relationship with insert name, with the love of my life, with my soulmate. I am happy within myself. Everything always works out for me, right? Now, the other thing that I also want to mention is there's like a couple ways that you can do this. When you affirm, you can either do a rampage of positive affirmations where you're basically just saying, almost going on a rampage, you're going on a rant. You're ranting your positive affirmations. You're literally going on a rant about it. You're getting passionate about it, right? And I really, really like that because it's just very natural to me. It's very natural to my personality. And then there's the option for you to do just, 2 to 3 affirmations, maybe one about yourself and say 2 about your specific desires. Right? Again, it really just depends on you. It's completely unique to you. And you just repeat that in your mind or out loud over and over and over again. Find what it is that works best for you. Find what comes naturally to you, and also use affirmations that sound natural to you. So use the ones that are the most powerful in that they imply the end of what it is that you want. It's already done. And also as well, use the ones that feel the most natural for you to say in your language. It's still going to work either way. It doesn't matter what you do, it's still going to work, because the whole point of affirming is actually just to remind yourself of the truth of who you are, and to remind yourself that you already have what it is that you want, to bring you into the state of it's already mine, it's already done. So I hope that has cleared it up for you. Again, feel free to share your thoughts below on this. If you've got any questions, drop it below in the comments. Make sure to give this video a like, subscribe to the channel, and for anyone who wants to work with me, the link is down below in the description, and I will be so happy to support you in your unique situation to help you to achieve your unique goals. So I hope you have an amazing rest of your day, and I assume that you will, obviously. Obviously, of course, you're having the best day ever, and I'll see you in the next video.